Hey everybody, Car Racers with you, welcome. My City Breaks with you, welcome as well. Like and follow below for for content or something. I don't know. We're gonna do a 2022 Topps Series 1 baseball jumbo. We're gonna do it as a half case. It's 3 boxes. This one's gonna be number 13, and this was done for the lovely folks on eBay. So if you would come over in this direction, that would be awesome. All right, 13 is a fresh case. Right case has been chosen. Was you can. I'll show you. It was marked. I had it marked to ship off to somebody. It was from the war that I did, but now we're gonna see what's in. We're gonna see what's in it. Decisions have been made. Alright, and I guess it's the bottom half first, usually. Well, I mean, Gregory, it's, I try to do something, a different backdrop every day. Keep things entertaining. Okay, weird. This one's on the bottom. Unusual. So we'll go silver pack first then. Then a Cubs Madrigal. I think it's the National Gallery in London, maybe. Keep the riffraff out. Kind of a deal. Okay, let's get rid of that. Nobody needs that. A Marsh, a Henderson, a Ripken, and a Sandberg. A Story, a Cole, a Machado, and a Winker. Yes, Kenzo. Yes, I have. I emptied the case, so and then just took the. I guess what ended up being like the bottom in front. So I'll do the front 3 boxes for number 13, and then the back 3 boxes for number 14. So yes, this you're looking at half number 1 right now. Always keep them. I mean, odd numbers always the first halves. And always do my absolute best to keep the halves together. Like I don't, if I start one, I'm gonna do both of them. I'm not gonna do like one half, not half. Okay. Hold off on the Angels. All right. I got an Altuve silver foil. So I need White Sox, like this Andrew Vaughn Generations card, similar to that. Also similar to the Gavin Sheets 87 rookie action. But hold off on the Angels. Got it. Kenzo, how you doing today? Hopefully I am pronouncing that properly. It's unlikely that I am. Got a Marlins autograph, Anthony Bender. Starting off, I hate these are like stickers. That makes me sad. But unnumbered Marlins autograph coming out first. A silver foil clinic for the Mariners. Rod Carew die cut for the Twins. And a Frank Thomas 87 for the White Sox. go to 299. Oakland Athletics, Mals. The Dark Wood. A Freddie Peralta for the Brewers. Cody Bellinger, Dodgers, and a Tony Gwynn, 87 for the Padres. Brousseau, silver foil for the Rays. Altuve, Astros, and a Yankees Gallo. I'll try my best. I mean, if in a perfect world, everybody gets a hit. Well, welcome. It's thank you for giving me a go. I appreciate it. All right, and Bryce Harper, Phillies National Pride flag. Yeah, we're creeping on. I mean, I was with another place for like 5 years, and we're almost. I mean, getting close to like 2 years doing with Vice City. A Cesar Hernandez White Sox gold foil and undamaged. This time in near perfect condition. A Puckett Twins and a Trey Turner for the Dodgers. Apologize if I sound a little bit stuffy. I am just finishing up a wee bit of a cold, but muscling through. Like the man that I am. Not gonna be stopped from doing Series 1 by something like that. All right, bat swatch Cardinals Paul Goldschmidt. Nice game used even. Numbered, but nice one for the Cardinals. Another Cardinals, Adam Wainwright this time. Gold foil. A Vlad greatest hits, and a Lindor 87 for the Mets. Got Rockies gold foil for Dom Nunez. Got some Yankees. Welcome to the show, Derek Jeter. And Willie Mays Giants, 87. Willie Mays Hayes. No Wander base as of yet, but yeah, so there's usually one per box. Still got some time. Chaz McCormick for the Astros. A Mattingly Mets and a Bregman Astros. I think I firmly believe that Don Mattingly was born with a mustache. I can neither confirm nor deny it, but I'm pretty sure that he was born with a mustache. Yeah, new folks, ViceCityBreaks.com is an actual website that I use to also sell breaks, other kinds. And there's a Wander. Right now on the Sapphire train, Draft Sapphire, 19, 20, and 21. Some PYTs of such goodness there. All right, Matt Olson home run challenge. Kurt Suzuki, Angels, gold foil. 6-4 Astros and a DeGrom, 87. All right, last pack, box number 1. Looks like maybe an orange foil. Let's find out. And it is Braves, a 299 orange foil. Huskar. Athletics, Tony Kemp. One of the more like athletic shots. I mean, one that you would almost traditionally feel like you would see in a like stadium club type product, but made its way to Series 1. Ernie Banks, die cut Cubs. And a 87 Detmers for the Angels. All right, let me move this paper off so I don't make a giant mess. And moving to box number 2. Some dude, Wandier Franco, jumbo for the Rays. I think some people think he's, you know, hot stuff and whatnot. Still no wonder auto. Have to clear to 10, but no auto as of yet. All right, got a green, Gausman, Detmers, a Cower, and a Clayton Kershaw in green for the Dodgers. And 197 out of 99, dancing around the eBay 101s all night long, and just unable to get them. Larkin, Jackson, Ryan, and a Gavin Sheets rookie mojo. Out early, a Wander base. To go along with that jumbo Wander card. I almost seriously hurt myself with those jumbo cards. A Bender, silver foil for the Marlins, and a Ernie Banks for the Cubs die cut, and a Jackie Robinson 87 for the Dodgers. I was cutting cardboard with my razor to make like a little sandwich board to put them in to keep them safe. Like they fit nicely in a graded card sleeve. And I was cutting the cardboard and slashed straight into my pants. Now my pant, one of my 3 pairs of shorts that I have, has got a giant hole in it. And had I been, sorting naked like I often do, I could have, seriously hurt myself. Yeah, so the things I do. Second autograph, another Marlin, this one red. For the Zach Pop? My goodness, what is going on here? To 25. 14 out of 25 for Zachary to go along with his friend Will Bender. A Stroman Mets silver foil. That's a Murray and a Cabrera. I mean, we've still got time, Dean. I mean, I like to drag things out. I like to make you sweat. So it's definitely not over. It's definitely not over. I'm just making it hard. I'm just giving you, taking hours of your life away with, with worry. That's all. I'm still gonna do it. I'm still gonna do it. Guardians to 300. Clement. A Gurriel. Blue Jays gold foil. Soto Nationals and a Yelich Brewers. I mean, whoever has the Marlins is, probably, feeling all right. I don't know who. Slam Diego silver foil. A Rod Carew die cut for the Twins. And a Trevor Story for the Rockies. Oh, okay. Well, I mean, still got some second level stuff for later. I got a Trout, Angels Pride. It was supposed to be in the second half. I don't know how that slipped in there, but it was unnumbered. The numbered one's in the second half. But the Ohtani 101 is in the second half. So that's fine. It's fine. Mariners done. It's gold foil. Tatis hitting things, and a Gill 87. It's all right. The Trout picture variations later. It's still in the second half. It's just it's okay. It's all right. Let's not no panic. We don't need to panic yet. No panicking yet. We can do that later. Again, it's like everything I do is like pulling teeth. Like, why would I give you what you want immediately? Cubs to 50. Contreras, Major League Materials. I mean, if I immediately gave you like some awesome hit, then you just go do something else instead of like hanging around waiting to see it. It's done purposefully. A Justin Turner Dodgers gold foil. Chisholm has feet, and Ohtani has an 87 card. More Marlins stuff with a Brian De La Cruz gold foil. Gavin Lux generating things, and a Wade Boggs 87. All right, exactly. It's mind games. So it's silver foil Mats Blue Jays, Tiny Generations, and a Cole 87. You gotta keep you on your toes. All that jazz. And home run challenge Judge. Gold foil Reds Vato. Got the Reds Vato, welcome to the show, and a Yadier Molina 87 Cardinals. All right, last pack, box number 2. There's a Wander. To 2022 for the White Sox, the Garrett Crochet. I mean, 367 on the low quarter of the print run on that one. Jose Iglesias, Red Sox silver foil. Acuna and Kershaw. All right, let's move this out of the way. Here we go. What do you got, last box? Some White Sox, but no Angels. White Sox and no Angels. All right, we'll go Phillies for the jumbo deal. Boom sauce. 2 silver packs. Alright, no whammies, no whammies, no whammies, no whammies. Very young looking Roger Clemens, George Brett, Matt Manning, and Joey Votto. Numbered. Got the Yelich, the Judge, the Molina, and the Soto. It is a little bit, Gregory. I mean, he's not. I mean, it's it still says future star, not current star. So let's see where that winds up. But I mean, he was hot for a little while. All right, Reds Major League Materials of 25 for Jesse Winker, 2-color. Game used action. '23 out of 25. Some numbered stuff. I mean, in this case, for sure. A Sammy Long, Giants gold foil. Foot Fetish for Pete Alonso, and a Chipper Jones. Silver foil Athletics, the Matrix Tony Kemp. Welcome to the show, Judge, and a Carlos Correa for the Astros. Maybe he wants to win like comeback player of the year, Gregory. I mean, that's a possibility too. Like he's purposely tanking just so that he can get that award. I wouldn't be surprised. Wouldn't put it past him. Home run challenge, Giancarlo Stanton, Yankees. Marlon Zach Thompson, gold foil. The Mariner 6'4", NA Vato 87. Mitch Moreland, A's, silver foil. Pujols' greatest hitting things, and a Gaussman Giants. City of Pride, New York City. Pete Alonso, Mets this time. That one to 299. Tons of numbered stuff in this. Contreras, Cubs. I mean, the case is I mean by excuse me, by Series 1 standards, pretty exceptional. Bellinger. And a Cabrera Marlins, but it is missing on some teams. So far, but we're not even halfway through. Not even halfway through. Picture variation, probably. Yep, Jose Ramirez for the Guardians. I feel like that bodes well for there being another one in half number 2. A Soto for the Tigers in silver foil. Ricky Henderson, die cut. And an Ichiro 87. Excuse me. Nice one for the Orioles. Cal Ripken. Bat swatch game used. Number for the Orioles, but still. Ripken's alright. He's okay. Rivera, sorry. Blue Jays. Royals. I saw the Bo Jackson Royals and get another thing of hundreds. Come on, top loaders. No Father's Day or Mother's Day yet either, which is a little bit weird. To 299, Reds Moustauskas in the orange foil. Silver foil, Mats for the Blue Jays. Vlad Blue Jays, and Dale Murphy Bravos. There is Wander. Back on our 1 per box average, basically. Got a Yanni Hernandez autograph for the Rangers. Someone that is not, in fact, a Marlin, which is weird. But a Rangers rookie autograph, unnumbered. Rousseau for the Rays, silver foil. Ted Williams die cut, Red Sox. And a Machado, Padres. It's 2022 Martin Perez for the Red Sox. A Kershaw gold foil for the Dodgers. And a Chisholm Marlins is how this one is going to finish up. So we have one more half to do. This one, number 13, though, Cal Ripken swatch. And Alonso, Mets, City Pride. Winker to 25 for the Reds. Contreras to 50 for the Cubs. The Trout for the Angels. Goldschmidt unnumbered for the Cardinals. The Harper, City Pride, Philadelphia. Autographs for Yanni Hernandez. Had the Zach Pops 25 for the Marlins. And Anthony Bender, baseball stars for the Marlins. We did have a picture variation for the Guardians, Jose Ramirez. One color in the silver packs for Clayton Kershaw, Dodgers. We did have one jumbo Wander to go along with 4 base Wanders. And thank you, everybody. I will get this right out to you.